Salam, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today I am making lamb shank pulao. Let's make it. The ingredients I am using for the pulao. First I washed 1.5 pounds of Basmati Sella rice and soaked it in water for 1 hour. Then I drained the water from the rice and set it aside. Now I am preparing the Pulao Masala. In a grinder, I add coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, black peppercorn 2 teaspoon, mace 3 pieces, nutmeg powder 1 teaspoon, cloves 6, green cardamom 6, star anise 2, cinnamon stick 2, bay leaf 1. I grind coarsely and keep aside. In a pot, I add 5 tablespoons of oil and fry the chopped medium onion until golden brown. I add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and fry on medium-high heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I add all the ground pulao masala and 4 dry red chillies, 2 pounds lamb shanks, 1 cup whisked yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt. I cook on medium-high heat till water reduces and oil separates. Now I add 5 cups of water. I bring to a boil and then simmer until the meat is tender. Once the meat is tender, I add soaked rice, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 5 slits green chillies and some mint leaves. I cook over medium-high heat until the water is mostly reduced, about half cup water left. I sprinkle some fried onions. I cover the pot and steam it on low heat for about 15 minutes. Now I am enjoying with raita. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.